All right, here we go with this picking pattern again. So instead of starting at 60 for the demonstration, I'm going to do it a bit higher. I want you to start at 60 though. Just the usual thing with this. But I want you to double check this video throughout the week. Make sure you're actually getting it right. So I'm going to start at the 140 speed of that etude throughout the previous week. I'm going to go up in 20, so this way you got several things to check. I also check with Guitar Pro as well. Like play along with me, play along with Guitar Pro, make sure it's done right. Okay, here we go. 140. 1, 2, 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ugh. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kind of missed the note. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try 220. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Enough of that. Let's go down to let's say 180 for the repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, and number 2. So this I'll start at 60. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and I'm thinking back and maybe I hit something wrong when I started counting all the triplets. Let's do that again correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and that was correct. All right, 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's try 220. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Why not? 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oof. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, thinking about this particular triplet rhythm, which is actually that. It's actually one of mine. That was sloppy as hell. Practice that in a while. Anyway, let's go to 180 for the repeats here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn it, hit the wrong string. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I am not doing well. Take 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, number 3, the etude. Right. Play this at 100 till halftime, half speed. Then I'll do it full speed. Yeah. When it's time for you to make your video, just a click or a drum track you've been. That's what I want you to end up doing. Definitely play with the drums and the MIDI guitar at least 50% of the time when you're learning this. When that's feeling comfortable, mute the MIDI guitar. Just play along with the drums and Guitar Pro. And when that's feeling comfortable, start working on just the click or that drum track you got. Alright, so 100, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3. My brain started drifting off into other thoughts on like the last line of the repeat. I was just thinking, man, how devastating would that be to have to start all over again at that point. 200 up to speed. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, there we go. So yeah, big thing with those suspended chords. Again, first step, look for the third or the flat third, and lower that note to the next note in E. E. And the only time you'll run into issues with that is if open strings are involved, or, for example, when you made your B minor chord into a B sus flat 2. Like, it resulted in an awkward shape. So sometimes that might happen, but usually it works out okay. So you'll have some oddballs that happen every now and then. At that point, just try and get creative and see what you do. But don't change the root note. Keep the root notes the same in the bass. Keep the bass note the root note for these chords. All right, any questions, let me know. I will see you again next week.